Hey guys, what's happening? I had to call eBay customer service. Contact phone numbers in the US, UK, and Australia. So go ahead and click the three bars at the top right. And then you're gonna go help. And it's gonna take you to the customer service page. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit call. Right? Or, right, scroll a little bit down to find contact us. Right here. Get the help you need from our automated assistant, right? You can see other options: start a return, report an item that hasn't arrived. Just go ahead and hit contact us, and of course select your issue, right? And once you select your issue, they're gonna suggest a couple articles you can read, right? Or chat with their automated assistant, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the automated assistant. Of course, now you're gonna talk with, you're gonna tell them exactly the problem, and they will either suggest a few articles to read, or they will put you on with a customer representative to help you out and walk you through the issue, right? And see if they can fix it from there. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please be considerate to eBay time zone, right? Sometimes, you need to avoid, of course, you need to avoid the weekend times, because there's not a lot of people working in those days. So make sure to be considerate and try to reach out with them, or try to reach out to them on working days. So from Monday to Thursday. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.